Hello, today I'm going to make my own DIY mask. First, you need a cloth. I got a polo that is not being used by anyone anymore. I got it because I like the fabric. See? It has a different design here and outside. So what you need to do is to take um, a mask, a disposable mask, fold it into half. So you will use this as a pattern. I'm going to show you the cut pieces of this polo after I copy this here in the polo.
Lady, go!
First, you fold this into half and you put the disposable mask here. So that when you open it later, you would get a pattern like this. Now that I have 3 pieces of pre-cut fabric like this, I'm ready to sew. The first thing you're gonna do is to sew 2 of them together. After doing the upper portion, you're going to do the bottom part. Make sure to leave the sides open. Here, you're just gonna do this and this part. After sewing the 2 cloths together, you get your third cloth and you have to sew it again. But the design should be facing inward. So you're going to sew it this way. The upper portion again and the lower portion, just don't sew the sides. So after sewing this, what you're gonna do is you're going to turn it around. And then this will be the inner part of your mask and this will be the outer part of your mask. So you will have to sew the garter here at the side. You have to sew it on both sides like that. Okay, so now that you're done sewing the garter and sealing off the sides, you will have something like this, your very own mask. So this will be your design from the outside and this will be your design from the inside. So it's now time to try on the mask. So since this is an adult mask, it will not fit your kid because the garter is too loose. But it will look something like this. So now it's my turn to try it on. Perfect. So this is really easy to make. You can choose the cloth that you like. So you can create your own design. And it's really comfortable. Thanks for watching.